Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing comparison between PROTON MAIL and TUTANOTA. TUTANOTA, TUTANOTA. Want to see which secure email is best? Choosing between the privacy giants PROTON MAIL and TUTANOTA, both are excellent, but what might be better for you? We're breaking down the key differences 5 to help you decide. Let's go! Both use zero-access encryption and are open source. So when it comes to encryption and security, this means your emails are unreadable even to them. The big difference is what they encrypt. PROTON MAIL uses PGP. It encrypts the subject line and the body of your emails, but not the sender, recipient's metadata. This allows it to work with other PGP clients. While TUTANOTA uses its own AES and RSA standard, it encrypts everything, subject, body, and all metadata. This is more comprehensive, but only works within its own ecosystem. Now let's look at the features and price. PROTON is now a full-scale privacy suite. It includes PROTON Drive for cloud storage, PROTON Calendar, and PROTON VPN bundled in paid plans. Its free plan is generous but limits you to 1 GB of storage and 1 email address. While TUTANOTA focuses on being the best encrypted email and calendar, its free plan is strong, offering 1 GB and 1 calendar. The paid plans are generally more affordable than PROTON's, making it a fantastic value proposition. Round 3, we're going to be looking at user experience and search. PROTON MAIL's interface is often considered more polished and similar to Gmail, which can make switching easier. It allows you to import existing emails easily. You can search encrypted mails on their servers because it creates an encrypted search index. TUTANOTA's design is more minimalistic and functional. Because it encrypts everything, you can only search emails you've received since creating your account. Searching older encrypted emails must be done locally on your device. What's the final verdict? Who is the winner? Choose PROTON MAIL, that is PROTON MAIL's winner, if what you want is a full privacy ecosystem and you need to interact with PGP users outside their platform or prefer a more familiar email experience. But TUTANOTA wins if your top priority is maximum encryption. You want the best free plan, or you prefer a simpler, highly focused, secure email tool. So both are top tier choices for 2025. Your decision comes down to whether you value PROTON's expansive suite or TUTANOTA's focused all-in-one encryption and value. Hope you found this video helpful.